Assalamu alaikum. This is Tanvir. Today I'll show you a problem that we face when you are trying to connect to our schema data. So here HR is my username and this HR is my password and WhatsApp is my service name. So when we try to connect to the HR schema, we face issues when you are some connected to the pluggable database. Short form, we told it PDBs. So I'm using Oracle SQL Plus and it is Oracle database 19C. See, we have faced the issue error. What it says that ORA 12154 TNS could not resolve the connect identifier specified. So sometimes we face the issue when the service name WhatsApp here is the service name. Let's break it down. HR is my username, HR is my password, and direct WhatsApp is my database service name, which is also called pluggable database. So what you have to do you have to write your username, your password, and your service name to connect to the HR schema. So let's solve the problem. Why we face this issue? Because we face this issue because when there is the mismatch between the service name. So in your database, the service name is different, and you're writing a different. So that's why the problem we face. So let's try another thing. We have we just delete remove the PDB part and write hr/hr.version. See, it is said invalid username or password, log on denied. So why this issue is faced? Because like when you have installed the database in PDB, so it can't find the username and password. So how to solve the issue? First, you have to go to your database installation location where you have installed the database. So in my case, I have installed my database in E drive. So here in this between this folder, I have saved the install files. Here you can see the install files, right? From here, look for network, then look for admin. Okay, if I'm going too fast, you can see this part, this PC, my drive name, my folder name, then the location, okay. So when you reach the admin location, you have to find tns names.ora, this file. Open this file. I'm opening it in notepad. You can use whatever you want. Here, what I have to look here? I have to look at service name. Like here is the service name. I have to change the service name to connect to the schema. So we can also connect to the schema by using a different method. Okay, let me show that too. Then I'll change. Then I'll give you the solution. So it will be beneficiary for you. Here, see what it has written: localhost and port 1521. Let's write localhost 1521. See what it says. Last successful login time Saturday, February 21, 2026. Right, so connected to Oracle Database 19C Enterprise Edition, release production version 19.3. So you see, I have connected. So what it does? It actually forces the database to connect to the schema. Let's now give you the solution. I am exiting from the database. SQL class hr slash hr at the rate orcl pdb. See, I didn't change anything. Okay. I'm doing this again to convince you that I have not changed anything and the error is still uh, there is still the error. See, this is the error. Now let's go to the solution. See, I already told that there is service name mismatch, so that the problem we face. So what we told you as we are uh, uh, set up our database in PDB. So I changed the service name to ORCL PDB, and here I am also changing it to ORCL PDB. Let's save it. Control S to save this, and let's now write this thing. See, I have connected to the HR schema. So thank you. If you face any problem, you can knock me. Uh, Thank you.